Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next second video in our series Playwright. Okay, hope you watched the introduction and just the basic download of the Playwright, right, in the last video. Now let's start the first code. Let's start automating our very simple basic script in the Playwright series. Okay, as I told you in the last video, we are going to try with Java soon, right? If possible, we'll try with JavaScript also in the coming days. Okay, now let's go and start a right a new project. For that, I need to go and click File in the Eclipse and then go to File, another click Maven project. As I told you, I'm going to add Maven build tool in the project. That's why we download Apache Maven in this last video. I'm going to give a group ID, that is Playwright Automation. Okay, I'm going to copy the same and put as an artifact ID. Now I'll go and create this project. First, as we all know, right, we need to add dependencies since it's going to be Maven. Okay, now let's go to Google and give Playwright Maven dependencies. Okay, the Playwright site, right? We should go to the playwright.dev docs locator. Okay, so if you see right in Google, you have to click this first one. Playwright.dev I gave locators hyphen playwright. In here, I need to go and click in the no in here, right? The third, right? We should give no in the Node.js. I'll click the list and then I have to go and select Java here. Okay, after selecting Java, right, we need to go to the installation part. If I come to that, if I go and click the pom.xml, they have given what dependencies to be added for running the Playwright. We just copy from the properties to the build. Okay, we just need to copy the dependency and paste in our Eclipse. Okay, make sure you're going to the official site of Playwright and you copy the dependencies from the site and paste in our Eclipse, and you just build the project. Right click on the Playwright, you have to go to Maven and update the project here. Okay, and give okay. Okay. Now dependency been downloaded. Let's create a new package and a class. Okay. First is basics or something. Right basics. Okay. This is a package. Next, I'll create a class, Java class. Okay. I'm going to add a browser launch. First, we are going to launch a browser and check, see, get the title of a page. That is what is the plan now. So first, I'll give a browser launch class. Then I'll add the main method, same thing which we are doing in the last Selenium or REST assured automation. Okay, I'll give the main method public static void main here. Okay, I'll give public static void main. Then I'll start my first line of code. One minute, let me project needs to be uploaded. 1 minute. Now let's type. Okay, first I should give playwright is an interface. I need to create an instance here. Okay, for that I give playwright dot create. Okay, for that should return, okay, a playwright. Okay, so the reference is playwright is an interface and it's creating an instance here. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll copy the Playwright and give dot which browser I want to execute. I'm telling the Playwright tool, all right, go and execute the Chromium browser. Okay, playwright dot chromium, that's a default which I'm giving, playwright dot chromium, then dot launch. So I'm telling launch the Chromium browser here. Okay, now let's go to the next line. Okay, I should return that as a browser, and then I should create a reference launch here. Okay, it's an interface. Browser is an interface. Okay, launch dot, I should give new page. So first, if I run, what happens? No, right. First, a browser will get launch, and a new blank page will come. Let me run the code. See, if anything, if I click right, a new blank page is come. So by default, you are telling open the browser and open a new blank, and go to the new page. That is what is by default it happens, right? So now that's why I gave dot new page. Go to the new page, launch the browser and go to the new page. Okay, then I'll use the new page reference dot navigate to the particular URL. Go open the browser, open the new page and launch a particular URL or navigate to a particular URL. Let's take orange HRM. Okay, and let's copy the URL and paste there. Okay, now it's going to launch a browser, navigate to new page, and it's going to launch the new URL. Okay, now give new page. Now what we'll do is we'll get the title of the page and we'll return it, okay, as a string, and storing it as a title here. Okay, so now let me get the title of the page. Okay, let me run the program. So one thing you should remember, by default Playwright runs in a headless mode. Okay, let me run the code now. Java code. See, now the title of the page has been written. Since I already ran this code, but when you are running for the first line, it will download all the Playwright dependencies, right? Everything will be downloaded. Browser, right? Drivers, everything will be downloaded if you are running for the first time. Since I already executed, it's returning only the title now. Okay. Now let's. What I should do is, see, by default it's running in a the headless browser. Suppose, right, I want to run in a right edge browser. What I need to do, or I want to run in a headful mode. If I want to run in a headful, first run in a headful mode with the help of Chrome browser. Then we'll see. Okay, after launch, right, I need in the launch, right, I need to give new browser type. Okay, then launch options, and I should give set headless browser true or false. If it is false, it is going to run in headful mode. If I give true, it is going to run in an headless mode. We can set whether I want to run in an headful mode or in a headless mode. Okay, let me run. Now it's going to launch the browser, launch the Chromium browser now. Okay, let me run it. See, now Chromium browser has been launched, and orange HRM URL has been navigated, and it didn't close the browser. It's keep on running, right? Now, wait, let me explain that also. Right, so you see, right, execution didn't stop, right? It didn't stop, it didn't terminate, right? So now we'll see that in a short time. Okay, now this is running in a Chromium browser. If I want to run in a Chrome, what I should do? I should give dot, I should give set channel and what browser I want. For example, Chrome browser. Okay, let me run the code now. Still, the termination didn't start, right? 1 minute. Let me tell you how to stop that. Let me run it. Now it's going to run in Chrome browser. First, it ran in a Chrome browser. Now it's a right, Chromium browser. Now it's a Chrome browser. See, Chrome browser is launched and URL has been navigated. Suppose I want to run in Edge. Okay, suppose I want to run the same code in the Edge. This is what I was telling in the introduction class. Okay, so if I want to run in Edge, ms Edge. Okay, let me run it. See, now Edge browser has been launched. Let me also run in Firefox also. See, still the termination is not stopped, right? We have to do one small thing here. Okay, let me run the first Firefox also. Let me run the same code here in the place of Chromium, right? We have to give Firefox. Okay, let me run here. See, now it launched the Firefox browser also. Okay, so all the right four browsers has been tested here. Okay, now let's go to the code. If you see, the termination is not done, right? For that, what we need is you write a small code. We all know driver.close code in the cell name, right? So here also we need to close the browser and also the page. Okay, first let me close the page, new page dot close. Then we have to close the browser also. Launch dot close. Then we need to close the playwright also. Playwright dot close. So if you are need to close it, then only the execution will stop. Okay, let me run it. Okay, now it ran in Firefox. See, now the execution has been stopped. So if I close, right, you can see the execution has been stopped. So make sure you are giving close method in your script. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. This is about the basic launch code with different browsers. Meet you soon shortly in the next video also. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.